Well, if I can get it to focus, this caterpillar, known as bird poop caterpillar because of its appearance, is actually the larvae of the giant swallowtail butterfly, I believe. Anyways, it was defoliating my white sapote seedling here. Going to town munching on it, and I don't want that. I do like my swallowtail butterflies, so I don't know where I'm gonna put it at. I gotta find it a host that I can afford to let it munch on. I don't want it on my citrus trees. They really love citrus. I found that out. And all these tropical plants I have, they love them. I don't want that to happen. So I'm gonna go find another place for it, and hopefully it'll make it. And I'm gonna keep an eye on this next few days, make sure I didn't see any more eggs, but I could have more babies, more eggs that haven't hatched yet. Let's see, what's that? No, that's not. Anyways, just want to show y'all. Looks like I let a bird poop on my fingers. These are some really crazy caterpillars. But they have some appendages they can let out in the front, kind of like what I would think would be an antenna, that are bright red or orange usually. But this one's not too keen on just popping them out and showing them. It's an ugly sucker. But anyways, I'm just going to try to find somewhere to let him go. I just don't want him eating my sapote plant.